Look, let's go down to that bridge. Do you see it? Let's go together. Hold my hand so we don't fall. Let's go down there. Whoop, whoop. Is it slippery? Yep, you gotta be careful. Hold on to that tree. You gotta make. Here, hold this tree. Whoop. And then I'll hold you. Hold my hand. Oopa. Oopa. 1, 2. I'm going, baby. Be careful. Whoop. It's very slippery. Let's go to those stairs. Come on, baby. This way. Here, just stand there on the stairs. Mommy will come. Here, hold my hand. Oh, I just came all the way from here. Let's go that way? Or is that scary? No, that might be scary. Let's go down to the road. Come on, go in front of me. Hold mommy's hand? Or no?
No.
Okay, let's go.
I go that way.
No, don't go that way without mama. Come on, this way. Yeah. Come on, do it this way. No, Rami. One, two, three, go. No, don't do that. Come on, let's go this way, Rami. Look, there's steps right here.
That one. That one?
This way. Hold my hand.
For a rocket tree?
Let's go for a rocket tree.
Go. Go.
Don't go that way, baby. It's very slippery. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Baby, I want to go up there on the stairs. Are you ready to go with me?
Go up there?
Yeah, let's go. Come on. This way. No, 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 this way. Look, Rami. That way.